damn birds! There's like hundreds of thousands of them. Damn!
Oh, it's Calvin. They come together.
Dude.
Calvin.
Look at all them bitches. They over here. They go all the way down there. Damn, dude, there's more over there.
Booger wow.
Dude, look at the fucking power line.
They're all just sitting in them motherfuckers.
Guys, those are all fucking birds. Stop, I'm sorry for my cussing. But look at all these birds, god darn it. Look at all of them. Dude, look at the whole field, dude. Okay, I need to stop waiting for a second. But look at all the fucking birds, dude.
I'm tripping.
Dude, look
I've
at
been smoking.
they're half the field.
I'm fucking around with two bitches. But I never make them
Dude.
move my missus.
Look at all the birds in the field. I'm so mad they can't see them. There's like at least 50,000 birds in that field, and probably 100. No, you think there's more than 100,000 birds in there? Like about 1,000. Whoa! Look at that shit! Damn! You got poop on your fucking head. Look. I'm just kidding.
Did you hear what they said? Bro, she's so wet. She thought she got it.
Sean got his wrap up.
Yeah, it goes like this. I'll give you all creepy. Yeah. So you think you bad? Alright. I don't give a damn. I'll slap your ass with a piece of honey ham. Damn.
You gotta DM him now. That lonely fucking bird. God, mother.
But I never made them hoes my mister.
Let's see how close I can get. Fuck.
Hey, but hold up. That ain't even mine, so I don't want to get copyrighted.
Oh,
Shit.
that's not his, guys.
No, it's Leak Jack.
Shout out to Leak Jack. All right, you gotta tell you something.
What?
All right, guys, I just found out this little slow-mo thing. Look at this. Hey, guys. Just walk like this for the rest of the day. This is so retarded. Back to the regular one. Okay, guys, that was really retarded. Sean, what are you doing back there? Dancing away. What the hell are you doing? There's the teacher. Stop dancing, motherfucker. Alright, guys. 1, 2, 3, on the bridge. Okay, guys, we're on the bridge. Well, technically we are. Sean's waiting for a butler. I don't know, but he's gonna smack someone's B word with a piece of honey ham. We're going to Unclub right now. I don't know why, but I'm always on this. Okay, guys, I'm walking on the bridge. There's water right on the other side of, well, not yet, but there's gonna be water when I'm walking. So that's gonna be awesome. That could have been us right there with birds. Viewers' aggression of eyes. I think I said that wrong. That's a nice car.
Stop, hey.
Ford, Toyota, Nissan. Woo! Kia. That's Toyota too, never mind. It is roughly 5:17.
Damn,
Chevy Camaro. Shout out to Shane. You guys know how I said that he's afraid of spiders. Yeah, you won. That sunset, bruh. Working on that. Oh, look at that guy over there. He's on top of a freaking roof that's taller than the bridge. Sean, look at that guy on the roof. Sean, look at him on the roof. Back to the sunset, guys.
Take the whistle.
better. 1, 2, 3, sunset. It's Sean Cena! Ah! He almost dropped his phone. Okay guys, I'm really bad for the wind, so I'm just gonna cut out all the audio right now. Okay guys, I'm literally just dabbing at everyone that comes by me. It's so funny. Okay, this guy. 1, 2, 3, audio off right now. How fucking wavy it is. How wavy it is. Damn, look at that. This is never this wavy. This is the lake. This is not the ocean. Sorry about the wind, guys. Sorry. To be honest, guys, look how funny this is. Man, Sean's way back here. Me and Sean just seen a freaking Bugatti. Look at it. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Ow. Start! Shaw's dancing, guys. Oh my god. He just said, whip that acid. Oh! What the fuck? Sean, if you're watching that, oh, I'm just kidding. Sean, if you're watching this, what the hell are you doing? What the fuck? I swear this should be like the best fucking intro in the world. Sean, get your ass! Anyways, guys, back to this. I don't know if you guys like it down lower or up above. To be honest, every vlogger I know actually goes up above, but anyways, I don't really care. But yeah, it's so weird vlogging for the first time because everyone's looking at you. Well, not for the first time, but vlogging in public. What the fuck is Sean doing back there? He's still dancing. But it's so weird vlogging in public because everyone's like, what the hell is this kid doing? No one likes you, bro. Go kill yourself. I'm just kidding. They don't say that. But they're like, what is this kid doing? Is he something? Is he like retarded? For your information, I'm almost at 30 subscribers. But I love you guys. Yeah, this vlog is gonna be a little bit longer because we still have a like mile to go to the Young Club. Mile go.